Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how much YouTube pays me for 10,000 views on one of my videos. So this is the video right here. So if you have an older alarm, trying to turn off that alarm, and again, that's not the focus of today's, but this is the video that I'm going to show you right here. And it has slightly over, it has 10,700 views. And let's go into my analytics. So again, 10.7K, so 10,700 views roughly. And there's our watch time. It's gained my channel 34 subscribers. That's pretty interesting to note too. And then there you have it right there. So $105.90 for 10,782 views. So if you wanted to do the math going forward, let's say that this video kind of blew up and got 1 million views. How much money would that make if the scale stayed the same? They call it the RPM, which is how much you make per view. But if that was to stay the same, if this video hit 1 million views, then this would make roughly $10,590. Hey friends, I hope this helps you out. Maybe you're starting a YouTube channel, maybe you're just about to get monetized, maybe you just got monetized, something along those lines. Do me a favor, put a comment down below. Do you think that's a lot of money? Do you think that's not very much money? Is YouTube worth it or not? Also, I'm thinking about making an additional channel where I show you exactly how I make my videos. All my videos are made on iPhones. What I'm holding in my hand right now is an iPhone 15 Pro Max, I believe. And I do all of the videoing, editing, rendering, everything is done through the phone. Thought that might be kind of cool to see. So if that's something you're interested in, please give this video a thumbs up, put a comment down below, let me know some details of what you'd like to see, and we'll see you next time.